Well, hello there. Welcome to the Okanogan Forest channel. If you look behind me, up there behind the outhouse, you can probably see a little white out there in the forest. Wouldn't you know it? When I start the video, the smoke's going to come towards me. That's the way it always is. Well, I want to welcome you. Like I said, behind the outhouse up there in the forest, you can probably see a little white. Well, that's snow. It's springtime. And beautiful here today. And I had some meat I wanted to cook. And so I thought I'd do it with my Deadwood stove. Now, it's been a long time since I've done anything at all with my Deadwood stoves. And you can go back and look at the earlier videos. It's a lot of fun. But I was thinking of cooking this inside the cabin, which is behind me. And then I thought, why make the mess when I can do it as a barbecue out here and show all of you? So that's what I'm going to do. And I hope you'll be patient with me. It's quiet up here. I'm up here today by myself, although I did get on my ham radio and talk to some people. So all of those things, it's really kind of fun. It's a real break for me from, I've been really busy. But anyway, it's been a while since I put a video out there, and so I thought I'd do one. And let me see if I can turn this now. You can see that it's plenty hot enough. I think I'm probably going to have to kind of watch the meat a little bit, make sure it cooks good. Right now, as I look up, I see big, beautiful clouds, deep blue, and then the green of the forest. And the forest is just on the edge of spring now. As I look over here at the mountains and the one right behind the camera there's still snow up there on that one. The creeks are running good, and it's a new year. Spring has arrived. And that, of course, look at that. Turn that over. So cook a little bit on the other side. Yeah, you can see that these Deadwood stoves are actually, I don't know anything about the company now because I've kind of lost track of them, but what this is a rocket stove, and there's a whole bunch of them out there on the market. This is the best one I ever found, but I really enjoy it. Sit down and the smoke follows beauty, I guess. Anyway, I wanted to say hello to everybody, and I hope you're doing well. It's spring 2022, and it's nice to be up here at the cabin. Boy, look at that. That's going to make one heck of a fine beef patty. Actually, I got these on sale. It was a real bargain, but I knew it was pretty high fat content. That's the other thing that's nice about the Deadwood stove, is that when you're cooking over an open flame like this, all that fat content stuff doesn't stay in the pan, it goes down into the fire. And I don't know if you can see it. I probably should show you if the handle isn't already too hot. So I'm going to pick this up real quick. But you can see the pan, it's a cast iron pan, but it's got holes in it. And that allows it to do what it needs to do. Cook the meat and let all the bad stuff go through. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop for a moment and turn the video off and go back to work. Welcome to the Okanogan Forest channel.